Hi everyone, this is Julia with Exclusively Dance Studios. I hope you're all doing well. And today we're going to learn how to extend the leg before making a step backward in waltz or in foxtrot or in Venus waltz or in quick step, but not tango. Because tango has a different action. And I've been asked a lot of questions about that action, and that's why I decided to bring you guys very simple exercise. So all you need to find at home is a shoebox, right? And place it behind your back, put your feet together, and start lowering, lowering a little bit. And in the same time, when you're lowering over the standing leg, the free leg extending and pushing the box away. Right? So this action, while you lowering and extending the leg backward, that's what we're trying to achieve. A lot of people, with my experience, are actually not extending the leg and they kind of just like falling back. And by using this simple shoebox, I think you guys will finally understand what we mean by saying you're preparing the leg to go back. So you try that with the shoebox, and then maybe if you have a little bit more time, try to dance the back step with the same feel, right? So try to lower and extend the leg and then make a step. And then finish to complete the back step, come back to where you started. And again. And the same thing you can try with other foot. But make sure that you're lowering over the standing leg and extending the free leg simultaneously. And I hope that will answer a lot of questions. Let me know how you find that useful. And don't forget to subscribe for our YouTube channel, right? That will be great. We prepared for you a lot of home videos, and we're looking forward to see more subscribers. And I hope you're doing great and staying safe and healthy. And don't forget, dancing keeps us healthy and happy. Bye-bye.